Okay, so today I was sent in this product by a company called EarFun, and the speaker is called UBOOM. Now I do have to mention again that they sent me this product for free, but it's not a paid review, so this is still my honest opinion. But basically this is a Bluetooth speaker with 360 surround sound. So basically the speaker goes all the way around, so you get, you know, really nice quality sound basically from wherever you are. You don't have to point the speaker in a certain direction. On the box here, as you can see, it says 360 sound. It's also IPX7 waterproof, up to 16 hours playback. It can be used as a speakerphone as well, Bluetooth wireless connection mode, indoor-outdoor sound mode. So it's got a few little features to it, and I'm really interested in this. You know, the waterproof does make it pretty cool. I do love the idea of 360 sound, and just from the box and the quality of the packaging, it looks like it's going to be a pretty damn decent speaker. So let's crack it open and give it a good test. Alright, so what do we get inside? We get a little business card. There's also $1 for every child, a fair chance. Even $1 can make a difference by sharing experiences on many channels. A donation of $1 will immediately be made by EarFun to UNICEF. Ah, very nice. So they're actually giving $1 to UNICEF, the company itself. So that's pretty cool. You get a little, I guess, a little feedback card, so you can, you know, it tells you how to give good feedback. The user manual and a USB Type-C connector, and oops, plastic, and there is the speaker itself. I'm just going to double check there's nothing else in there. Yeah, so the box is empty. Put that to the side. Let's open up the actual speaker. It's got a lot of weight to it, a lot of weight. And right, so first impressions, very nice. It feels really nice and rubberized, you know, very good quality as you expect. The bottom is really, you know, got a nice rubber feel to it. As you can see, it really sticks. You got this nice little lanyard type thing, you know, where you can basically have it hanging on something, or, you know, just use it to hold, I don't know. You get all the control buttons at the top. You have on, I'm guessing different sound modes because they got indoor, outdoor, so we'll give that a try. You know, volume up and down and so forth. And anything else, you got the nice logo here. Oh, yep. So you have the inputs. You've got an auxiliary input and a USB Type-C to charge it. So all pretty standard. So let's hook it up to my phone and let's give it a shot. All right, so turning it on. Let's pair it. There we go. And let's get some royalty-free music up on YouTube. So that's that maximum volume. Let's turn it down just a little bit. Wait for it to drop. I mean, sound quality straight away, as you would expect, very good sound quality. And the sound is 360. I don't know. Ooh, that bass. It's extremely loud. You have no idea how loud this is. Bloody hell. Alright. Let me just turn it down. We can keep it running, but ridiculously loud. I mean, that is extremely loud, and it's got really good bass to it. So let's see how you change the different settings. I mean, straight away, very nice bassy, very clear. I like it. Right, so this button is indoor, outdoor. Let's turn it up a bit. Let's see. See if you can notice any difference. If I'm completely honest, I can't really tell much of a difference between the indoor and outdoor. I think one of them was a little louder maybe. It's really hard to tell. I mean, I'm not entirely sure what the point of indoor and outdoor is, but I don't think they actually explain it in the manual of what it's meant to do, because I assume that Bluetooth speaker really will, no matter whether you're indoor or outdoor, it'll pretty much sound the same, wouldn't it? So I'm not entirely sure the indoor-outdoor part, and I honestly can't really tell much of a difference. Maybe because I'm testing it indoors and then maybe I have to actually go outdoors to tell, but either way, I doubt you'll be faffing about with stuff like that. As a speaker, it is good. I mean, it's very good as a speaker. That's pretty much all I can really talk about. Build quality is fantastic. 16 hours of battery life, so this is, you know, fantastic just to have laying around. I mean, the amount of Bluetooth speakers I'm being sent in. I'm gonna have a Bluetooth speaker for every room in a house soon, and then some. So, you know, I'm always happy to test out a nice Bluetooth speaker, especially one as good quality as this. You can't really go wrong. So this speaker retails around $60 to $70 on Amazon. I will leave a link where you can get it down below. So it's not, you know, massively expensive. There are speakers with 360 surround sound, which are a hell of a lot more expensive than this. And to be honest, I can't tell the difference between the really expensive ones and one that's mid-range priced like this. I think when it comes to Bluetooth speakers, you don't want to go completely cheap, because really cheap Bluetooth speakers usually suck. And then you get the really expensive ones, which, to be honest, you can't really tell the difference anymore from the really high premium expensive, you know, the hundreds and hundreds of dollars Bluetooth speakers to the ones that are around, you know, priced like this, $60, $70. If you want a good quality sound with a lot of bass and that's extremely loud, and, you know, have it 360, so no matter what, you can place this in the center of the room or on the desk somewhere and, you know, enjoy it as you're walking around, yeah, pick one up, pick this up. It's literally, it does what it says on the tin. It's a decent speaker, it's really good build quality, really long battery life. It looks nice as well, sitting in any room in the house. That's pretty much it. Definitely 10 out of 10. I can't really, you can't knock it. It does what it does. So I will leave a link to it in the description below. Go ahead, check it out, pick one up. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I got a lot more stuff to unbox and review, so do stick around. So hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you never miss any of my new uploads. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, feed your mind.